Ever wondered why the number 111 seems to pop up everywhere you look? What could possibly be its significance in numerology? The answer is intriguing. In the realm of numerology, the number 111 is more than a simple sequence. It's a powerful symbol, often associated with new beginnings and manifestation. It's a sign of alignment between your thoughts, intentions, and the energy of the universe. Imagine a compass guiding you towards your dreams. It's also seen as a beacon of spiritual awakening, a nudge towards tuning in to your higher self, your intuition, and spiritual guidance. Like a lighthouse in the night guiding seafarers home, 111 can be a call to trust your inner wisdom and instincts. It's a number that resonates with hope, potential, and the promise of a spiritual journey. Now let's delve into the different interpretations of this fascinating number. The number 111 carries a potent message of manifestation. It's a cosmic signpost, indicating that your thoughts, intentions, and desires are synchronizing beautifully with the rhythm of the universe. It's as if you're dancing to the same tune as the cosmos, and this dance is leading you towards the realization of your dreams and aspirations. But the significance of 111 goes beyond mere manifestation. It's also a beacon of spiritual awakening. When you see this number, it's a nudge from the universe, telling you that you're becoming more attuned to your higher self. You're not just waking up to the reality of the physical world, but also to the profound wisdom that lies within you. Your intuition is growing stronger, your spiritual senses are becoming sharper, and you're starting to perceive the world through a more enlightened lens. As you can see, 111 is far from an ordinary number. It's a signal of alignment and spiritual growth. Beyond manifestation and spiritual awakening, the number 111 holds even more meaning. It's a magnificent symbol of alignment and synchronicity. When you see this number, it's a sign that you're in harmony with the universe and everything is falling into place perfectly. It's a gentle nudge to trust the divine timing of events, to have faith that everything is unfolding according to a grand plan. But the magic doesn't stop there. The number 111 is also an angel number. This means that angels are sending you messages of encouragement, support, and protection. Look around, listen to your thoughts and feelings. The angels are reaching out. And finally, the number 111 is a beacon of creativity and inspiration. It signals a time of heightened creativity, a period when new ideas and opportunities flow into your life. So embrace your creative potential, chase your passions with enthusiasm. So the next time you see the number 111, be reminded to trust in yourself, stay positive, and follow your intuition on your spiritual journey. In summary, the number 111 is a remarkable symbol in numerology. It signifies manifestation, spiritual awakening, alignment with the universe, angelic guidance, and heightened creativity. Remember, when you encounter the number 111, it's an invitation to align with the universe, trust in your spiritual path, and embrace your creative potential.